Hello students, today we start with the next article from this chapter, mathematical methods, that is the scalar product, or it is also called as dot product of two vectors, scalar product or dot product of two vectors. Now we have seen here the multiplication of a vector, multiplication of two or more vectors. If the multiplication of one vector with the other vector results into a scalar quantity, then that product is called as scalar product. If the multiplication of one vector with the other vector results into a vector quantity, that product is called as vector product or cross product. Now we first see the scalar product or dot product. Now the definition of the scalar product is like this. Definition: the scalar product of two vectors is defined as the product of the magnitudes of two vectors and the cosine of the angle between them. Now this is the definition of the scalar product. The scalar product of two vectors is defined as the product of the magnitudes of the two vectors and the cosine of the angle between them. That means, if suppose A bar and B bar be the two vectors, if A bar and B bar be the two vectors, and theta is the angle between them, then scalar product of A bar with B bar can be known as A bar dot B bar, because the scalar product is also called as dot product. That is, vector A dot vector B equal to product of the magnitudes of the two vectors. A bar and B bar ची magnitude A and B, product of the magnitude of two vector and cosine of the angle, that is cos theta between them. A bar dot B bar equal to AB cos theta. Now this is the definition of the scalar product of two vectors. A bar dot B bar equal to AB cos theta, product of the magnitudes of the two vectors and cosine of the angle between them. Now this is the definition of scalar product. Now we proceed further for the characteristics of the scalar product of two vectors. Now we see the characteristics. The first one characteristic, that is the scalar product of the two vectors is also equal to the product of magnitude of the one vector with the magnitude of the component of the other vector which is in the direction of the first vector. That means, product of the magnitudes of one vector with the product of the magnitudes of one vector with the component or magnitude of the component of the other vector in the direction of the first vector is called as scalar product of two vectors. या ठिकाणी आपण दाखवले, या ठिकाणी हा P बार वेक्टर आहे, हा Q बार वेक्टर आहे, अँगल त्याच्यामधला थीटा आहे. Now this component is Q cos theta, and this component is P cos theta. याचा परपेंडिक्युलर आपण याच्यावरती काढला तर हा component P cos theta आणि हा component काय Q cos theta. Therefore we can write a product of the magnitudes here. P bar dot Q bar equal to P into Q cos theta. P into Q cos theta, or Q bar dot P bar equal to 2 into p cos theta. 2 into p cos theta. That means scalar product of two vectors is equal to product of the magnitude of one vector with the magnitude of the component of the other vector in the direction of the first vector. या ठिकाणी बघा 2 cos theta सेकंड कॉम्पोनंट आहे वेक्टर, सेकंड वेक्टरचा कॉम्पोनंट आहे मॅग्निट्यूड की जो पी बारच्या दिशेमध्ये आहे, पहिल्या वेक्टरच्या दिशेमध्ये आहे, म्हणून p into q cos theta. q bar dot p bar can also be written as 2 equal to 2 into p cos theta. And this is the first characteristic. Second characteristic, the scalar product of two vectors is commutative. The scalar product of two vectors obeys commutative law. Scalar product of two vectors obeys the commutative law. म्हणजे काय, समजा एखादी p बार आणि q बार वेक्टर असतील तर p बार डॉट q बार इक्वल टू pq cos theta, that is equal to q bar dot p bar, that is equal to qp cos theta. P bar dot q bar equal to pq cos theta, that is equal to q bar dot p bar equal to qp cos theta. म्हणजेच काय, p bar dot q bar equal to q bar dot p bar. कम्युटेटिव्ह याचा अर्थ काय, जर वेक्टरचा ऑर्डर जरी बदलला तर त्यांचा प्रॉडक्ट काय येतो, सारखाच येतो. p bar dot q bar is equal to q bar dot p bar. Now this is the second characteristics. Now the third characteristic, scalar product of the vectors obeys the distributive law. The scalar product of vectors obeys the distributive law of multiplication. Now if suppose here three vectors a bar, b bar and c bar, if a bar, b bar and c bar be the vectors, be three vectors, then a bar dot b bar plus c bar, a bar dot b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar, a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar. And this is called as distributive law of multiplication. The scalar product of the two vectors obeys the distributive law of multiplication. A bar dot b bar plus c bar equal to a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar, or we can also be write here a bar dot b bar, a bar plus b bar dot c bar is equal to a bar dot c bar plus b bar dot c bar, a bar dot c bar plus b bar dot c bar. This is the scalar product of the vectors which obeys the distribution among the given vectors, a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar, or a bar dot c bar plus b bar dot c bar. This is the character number 3. Now we proceed further for the fourth characteristics, the special cases of the scalar product. Special cases of the scalar product. That is p bar dot q bar equal to pq cos theta. If there are two vectors p bar and q bar, then their scalar product p bar dot q bar or vector p dot vector q equal to pq cos theta. Now if this theta is 0 degree or 90 degree or 180 degree, then what will be the scalar product of these two vectors? This scalar product depends upon the angle theta. We have to study the cases of this product according to the angle theta. Now the first is, if theta equal to 0 degree, then if theta equal to 0 degree, then P bar dot Q bar equal to PQ cos of 0 degree. PQ cos of 0 degree. Now cos of 0 degree is 1. We know that cos of 0 degree is 1. Therefore this product is equal to PQ. This product is equal to PQ. P bar dot Q bar equal to PQ cos 0 degree, that is equal to PQ. Means analytically, if the angle between the two vectors is 0 degree, then their product is equal to product of the magnitudes of the two vectors. ये दोन वेक्टरचा प्रोडक्ट जो आहे स्केलर प्रोडक्ट जर अँगल 0 असेल त्याच्यामधला तर त्यांचा प्रोडक्ट किती येतो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मॅग्निट्यूड्स ऑफ टू वेक्टर त्या दोन वेक्टरच्या मॅग्निट्यूडचा गुणाकार P into Q. Now if there are rectangular unit vectors I cap, J cap and K cap, then we can write here for rectangular unit vectors, for rectangular unit vectors there is I cap dot I cap equal to J cap dot J cap equal to K cap dot K cap equal to. आता या ठिकाणी बघा I cap चा त्याच्याशीच प्रॉडक्ट घेतलेला आहे म्हणजे अँगल 0 डिग्री असणार म्हणजे cos 0 येणार आणि याचा I cap म्हणजे याचा युनिट वेक्टर आहे त्याची मॅग्निट्यूड 1 असते I cap J cap and K cap. These are the unit vectors having unit magnitude and therefore I cap dot I cap equal to J cap dot J cap equal to K cap dot K cap equal to 1. The value is 1. Now the second case, if theta equal to 180 degree, then theta equal to 180 degree. जे दोन वेक्टर्स मधला अँगल जर 180 डिग्री असेल तर काय ना, therefore P bar dot Q bar equal to PQ cos of 180 degree. PQ cos of 180 degree. Cos of 180 degree equal to -1 and therefore this value becomes minus PQ. Because cos 180 is -1, therefore P bar dot Q bar is equal to PQ cos 180, that is PQ into -1, that is equal to minus PQ. This is the product of the two vectors when their angle is 180 degree. And the last case, that is the third case, if theta equal to 90 degree, then if theta equal to 90 degree म्हणजे दोन वेक्टर मधला अँगल जर 90 डिग्री असेल म्हणजे दोन वेक्टर्स एकमेकाला जर परपेंडिक्युलर असतील तर त्यांचा प्रोडक्ट किती येतो या ठिकाणी बघा, then P bar dot Q bar equal to PQ cos of 90 degree. Now cos 90 degree की value आहे 0. Therefore we can write here P bar dot Q bar equal to PQ into 0, that is equal to 0. म्हणजे जर वेक्टर्स एकमेकाला परपेंडिक्युलर असतील तर त्यांचा प्रोडक्ट किती येतो 0 येतो. समजतंय? म्हणजेच हे आपल्याला कॉन्व्हर्शन आपण सांगू शकतो, जर एखाद्याच दोन वेक्टरचा प्रोडक्ट जर 0 येत असते तर ते वेक्टर्स एकमेकाला कसे असतात परपेंडिक्युलर असतात. म्हणजे इफ द स्केलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू वेक्टर्स इज 0, then the two vectors must be perpendicular to each other, and if the two vectors are perpendicular then their scalar product must be equal to 0. This is the characteristic number 4, special case for the theta that is equal to 90 degree. आता आपल्याला रेक्टँग्युलर युनिट वेक्टरची बाबतीत म्हणता येईल फॉर रेक्टँग्युलर युनिट वेक्टर्स हा प्रोडक्ट आपल्याला काय सांगता येईल फॉर रेक्टँग्युलर युनिट वेक्टर्स यू कॅन ॲड हियर I cap dot J cap, कारण I cap आणि J cap याच्यामध्ये अँगल 90 डिग्री असतो. सगळे युनिट वेक्टर्स असतात एकमेकाला ते परपेंडिक्युलर असतात. I cap dot J cap equal to J cap dot K cap equal to K cap dot I cap is equal to 0. कारण cos 90 0 असल्यामुळे त्यांचा प्रोडक्ट सुद्धा काय येतो 0 येतो. And these are the characteristics of the scalar product. For the special cases of the scalar product, if theta equal to 0 degree, the product of the two vectors is equal to product of the magnitudes of the two vectors. If theta equal to 180 degree, the product is equal to minus PQ. P bar dot Q bar equal to minus PQ. And if theta equal to 90 degree, then product equal to 0. Because cos 90 is 0, therefore P bar dot Q bar equal to 0. Therefore, the scalar product of two rectangular unit vectors I cap dot j cap equal to j cap dot k cap equal to k cap dot I cap is also equal to 0 because the unit vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other. This here ends this characteristic number 4. Now we'll stop it.